So I've built a motion rig in the last year, and one of the things that I haven't seen before anywhere is that I've built a heating system that heats up the air. It blows in your face while flying general aviation, and there's a heater within this module, and it's being controlled by an Arduino Nano with a triac dimmer with a relay which I created, and this video is going to show you in broad lines how it's working. So it can be seen now that in the cockpit the temperature is rising. I opened up the heater valve and you can tell this is the values being shown here in MobiFlight. This is the value in Fahrenheit, and there's a conversion factor to adjust it a bit to make it fit for the servo output on the MobiFlight. Signals are coming from a MobiFlight prototyping board, where there are the two servo outputs are also supplying the voltage to the Arduino Nanos. It measures the pulse width of a servo and then converts that to the signal for the power triac dimmer, and it also controls this relay. So when the temperature goes above a certain threshold, it switches on the heater and then also the fan, and it then controls the amount of heat by the triac dimmer. The heating is well in safety ranges, and also the housing surrounding the heater module stays cool. So the temperature has been lowering in the cockpit, and they're about to switch off the heaters. Again, the information on MobiFlight. The fast blinking LED on the Nano signals that there is an input signal which is valid and constantly changing. The blue one is showing that there is a control, and the green one shows that the relay is switched on, and as you can see the temperature is dropping, therefore it's slowly switching off. This is the lower threshold of the regulator. So now you can see it's about to switch off to make it just blow colder air, surrounding air. That's coming from the bottom. It's a modification I made to one of the sim racers fans. They were way too strong, so I took normal fans and made sure that the air isn't blowing as strongly. So the temperature now at 32 degrees Celsius, which is about 91 Fahrenheit. So that it's nicely heating here, and it's now blowing out air of about like 60 degrees, so it sounds like a lot, but when it's blowing it's obviously not 60. But it really makes you feel that the cockpit is warming up, which is the whole purpose obviously. Safety. The heaters and also the fan of the heater is controlled by a single plug, which can be switched off and on to make sure that it can be disabled, because some airplanes do not output the temperature of the cockpit.